Hi guys, welcome back. So it's my working place. Yep. So I have a problem and I'm looking for a solution for that. My problem is I have these many gadgets like my iPad charger, then laptop, and my smartphone, smartwatch, as well as my light. So I don't know how I'm going to manage it. So you say like the extension box with multiple plug will work. So you mean to say like I can use extension box with a big cable? Yep, I tried this, but it have a very big cable. What I'm going to do this? It's annoying, man. Seriously, it's annoying. So I was searching for a better option, and by my luck, I found it. Yep. So finally, I got this one, that is NTONPOWER USB power strip. So let's see how it looks. Quite easy, right? Looks great. Yeah, seriously. And it have an adapter so that I'm sorry. Yeah. So it comes with an adapter. I can keep my phone like this. I'm going to fix this and let's see what are the amazing things it's going to do to my life. So I'm going to unplug whatever is in my actual PowerPoint. Okay, so one is used already and I have only one left. Now I'm going to utilize the remaining one and charge all my other equipments. Now I have 3 plugs and 3 USB power points. So I'm going to utilize all those stuff. Amazing, right? Yep, definitely it's amazing to me, because one thing is I'm just converting one plug point into 3 different plug points, and I'm getting 3 USB ports here. So which is really amazing. I don't need to look for USB plug points to make a charge. So now you can see I'm just utilizing whatever is available in this particular converter. It's definitely changed my living room. Yeah. So instead of using a very big extension box with the cable, I'm just using a small converter and it does all the work. Everything can be done. And another good thing is, if I have a mobile phone, I can keep it there and I can charge. I will show that. I'm working here and I got a video call and I can't hold my mobile phone all the way like this and talk to them. And also this one is out of charge, so I want to put a charge, then I want to talk, I want to have a video call with my friend or whoever it is, and this one is specially designed for that. I will tell you how. Take this, put a charge, see, it's charging, and keep it here. That's it. I'm going to do a video call now, and I can talk, I can speak, and I can just do whatever I want. Amazing, right? Yep, this is amazing. So go ahead and grab one beautiful piece for you guys. Don't miss it. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.